So yeah, guys, look how dirty she is, man. That's disgraceful. Go ahead and put these tokens in.
I just wanna know if you got suicide. I just wanna know if you fucking lie. I don't hear no lies. Baby, don't tell me you try. I've been thinking my life just to give to my soul. Gotta wear in the sky. I think about the mornings a million times a day. But that money that you get them out of the way. Baby, I told you, I don't wanna come around the side of the town, but the shit get dangerous. Follow my demons and blood on the page. You know my mind is racing, but I don't wanna face it. Let me see with some lead in it, don't come with no erasing. I ain't chasing no liquor. I don't know why these bitches get back, I'm a chasing. I say I'm racing. That's what I like, that's how I'm saying. I too drunk, it's like an icon. It's too clear where we going. I'm trying to be the right influence. No matter how many times that I fail, you never hit me, so I can't do it. Put on the front, I can see through it. This ain't got your back, hoes ain't got your back. Walk your race, I'm on the best. Real estate, baby, I take a lay back.
All right,
I'm getting money, I
guys,
keep
I
it a
have wiped her
stack.
down, cleaned her up. She ain't sparkling, you know what I'm saying, but shit, it's better than what it was, right? I'm not gonna hold y'all. I gotta piss. Yeah, that's me right there. About to hop out a plane. Yo, this is crazy. But look, y'all should know. Are you not watching the videos? Y'all should know. You asleep, bro?
Just took a nap, bro, because I thought I took my hour, bro. That shit put me down for a bit.
We thought you was a goner then.
Right here, where I want to go?
Could like slide to Alexandria real quick and where all those trees with the lights in them. It should be empty since it's 12 o'clock.
Man, send that address so we all got the same shit.
Oh yeah, that's the best spot right there for tonight.
Yeah, it is.
Dre though, I have a question though, bro. Are you, like, your car ain't going like, you know, ain't gonna blow up, right?
Previously.
Nah.
Last time you did that, bro, your car gave up on you.
Oh God, it gave up on me. But nah, we should be good. This is tonight. I won't be like, I won't be going crazy too much because I've been pushing it the past 3 days.
Y'all both cars in Iowa, bro, just loud as shit in the neighborhood. That's why I was like, yo, we gotta get the fuck out. That's how I do it every single morning, especially on cold start. I delete that shit literally quick as fuck.
Y'all ready?
Yep. Tonight we're gonna make them some destruction.
Some destruction?
Fucking everybody here is up. What we gonna do?
We're gonna do our thing.
Get that first Honda, you're down shits, man. You're down shits. That shit retarded, huh?
Shit, are y'all with me? Are y'all with me?
Oh, yeah, I'm with you.
that boy Desmond, Kevin. Hey, Kevin.
Yo, this whip is legal. No, you didn't.
There's people over here. Hold on, bro. I'm about to hang out the window real quick. I need to get a shot.
Oh, it's like that?
It's like that, nigga. We experts out here, bro.
Fuck that dude, bro.
Hold on. Hold on. Grab your shit. Yeah, we lit. My fault. Forgot.
That's good. You know what I'm saying? You know me, bro.
Oh, you turning left?
Windows down. Windows down. Hold on, y'all. So.
Cop.
Oh, man. Perfect.
What keep braking for, bro? He braking for no reason. The dude in front of you braking for no reason. We gotta take the exit.
Oh, we gotta get over. We gotta get over.
Yeah. We might, I don't know if we probably could go in there, but it might be private.
Niggas is outside, look to the right. Lamborghini! Another Lambo!
Another Lambo?
Turn around, alright. We're gonna get a look at this Lambo. Oh, that joint nasty. That joint nasty.
Shit loud as shit. Damn, we looking sweet. My boy Dad, loud ass Catalyst Camaro. We got Catalyst, Challenger, 3 muscle cars terrorize the city. Sorry to anybody who we woke up. We don't give no fucks. B. Looking nice. Looking nice. Looking nice. I ain't seen that. Looking nice. Yes, sir. Huh? You always got pissed, I swear.